In this video, we will know that when it blinks 5 times in Sony Bravia LED TV, then it is display panel related problem. Not only this, we are facing this 5 times blinking problem while installing display panel also. Today, we will show you how to install LG, Samsung or any other brand SD ready panel into Sony Bravia LED TV. Hello friends, Namaste. This is our YouTube channel Vicar LC. Now let's start. Panel used by Sony Bravia has two EEPROM. One is connected with main scalar IC and another one is related with malfunctioning of panel for protection. Here among two EEPROM on panel which gives beep from mainboard. Let's remove it and copy data from small to similar type big IC. This helps us to make our connection easy. Here accept second and fourth pins, cut and shorten remaining pins of this IC. Let's fix these second and fourth pins on the ground of mainboard. Connect 1, 3 and 8 number pin to VCC 3.3 volt. Fifth pin is SDA and 6th pin is SCL. Through 56 ohms resistor, LVDS connectors should be connected in this pin separately. Now for last connection, two resistors of 10k ohms should be fixed between VCC and STA SCL. This is final fixing. To right to left the LVDS cable, we should join one converter. How do you like this video? If you have any confusion, then please mention in comment. If you like this video, then press this thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe. And also don't forget to press this bell icon for our upcoming videos. Thank you.